Hi year 3, hope we're all okay still, okay, staying safe at home. Bet most of you are missing school by now, you might disagree, but I know secretly you are, okay. So I've got another week of challenges for you guys to try, okay. This week is not going to be tennis, we're going to work on some rolling, okay, like we would do in cricket, for example, okay. Which you guys might find easy, but wait till you see the tasks, okay, some of them are quite challenging, alright. So all we have to do, guys, is just have fun trying these tasks, okay. I'm going to show you them one by one again. You've got 3 tasks to try, okay. Try your best at all 3, record your score, and at the end of the week record your best score and try and let me know your results, okay. So I'm going to show you the tasks now, alright. Enjoy them, have fun, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, year 3, challenge number 1, okay. I haven't got a ball, okay, I couldn't find my tennis ball, so all I've done is I've rolled up a pair of my socks, okay, make sure they're clean ones, don't want them stinking the house out, alright, and all we're going to do is we're going to practice some rolling, okay, but we've got to aim for targets, okay. So challenge number 1 is nice and easy. I've got a box that I got a gift in for Christmas, okay, it's a nice size, it's not humongous, okay, but it's not too small either, alright. And all I want you to do, I want you to place that somewhere in your house, okay, where you've got a bit of space. I want you to put your foot next to it and I want you to take 5 steps away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. As you can see, my room's not massive, alright, so I've made the most of it that I can. And all I want you guys to attempt is to roll the ball to hit the target as many times you can in a row, okay. If you don't get any, don't worry, that's just your first score, okay. So all you're going to do, you're going to roll your socks to try and hit the target. Okay, so that's my first score. I've got to go and get my socks as quick as I can. Better get back to where I started. Roll it again, there's my score of 2. Okay, and I've got to try and get as many in a row. So I've missed. So at the moment, my best score is 2. Okay, so you can practice as many times as you want, there's not a limit on goes, alright? You have as many goes as you can and see how many you can get in a row. Okay, there's challenge number 1, guys. Go and have a go and have fun. Alright, year 3. Now you've seen task 1, here's task number 2. Alright, task number 2 is a bit more for accuracy. Alright, so I want you to find 3 things in your house that are different sizes, but with your mum and dad's permission to make sure you don't take anything valuable, okay, that you are going to then aim to roll your socks at, or your ball, or whatever you are using, okay. So for me, I've just gone in the recycling bin, so I can reuse my stuff, alright. So I've got myself a big empty bottle, okay, that's going to be my big target, alright. We're going to need 3 different sizes, so there's my big target, okay. I have an empty carton of orange juice, okay, so that is going to be my medium sized target, alright, and then I have an empty can of deodorant, alright. So they're all different sizes, obviously the bottle's the biggest, the carton is the medium, and this is the smallest, okay. And then all we're going to do, we're going to line them up next to each other, okay. So there's my big target, there's my medium target, and there is my small target, okay. They're all next to each other, okay, they're not one behind the other. And all I want you guys to do is see how many attempts it takes you to roll your item and knock over all 3 items, okay. You obviously don't have to knock them over in one go, okay, because that would be bowling. We're not doing bowling, okay. You're aiming to knock over the certain targets that you've got, alright. So again, you're going to take 5 steps away, so you stand roughly where you bowled from last time, okay. And you've got to try and knock over. There's 1, okay, you've got to run and get your socks. Run back to where you started, okay. You've got to try and knock over. Oh, so I've missed, okay. It doesn't matter, I don't have to restart. I just grab my socks and I see how many attempts it takes me to knock all 3 down, okay. Once you've knocked all 3 down, you can restart and try again, try and beat that score, alright. But you want to try and do it in the least amount of rolls you can, alright. So have a go at task number 2, see how we get on, and good luck. Last task here 3, okay, task number 3. All you're going to need for this, the same 3 items that you got before, as you can see, I've still got them down there, okay, but then you need 3 more items that you can use. Don't worry about the size, they can be as big or as small as you want, okay. So I've got an empty hot chocolate, okay, an empty shampoo, and a full pack of mints. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to place them in a triangle in the same area that I used before to make a set of like bowling pins. Okay, so I'm going to put my hot chocolate back in the middle, these two here. Okay, and the aim is similar to the last one. Okay, but obviously you've got more items now, so it's going to take you a little bit longer and you've got to be a little bit more accurate. Okay, so basically we're playing a game of bowling. Okay, we're going to see how many times it takes for you to roll the socks and knock over all 6 pins that you've got. Okay, so you're going to stand the 5 steps away that we used before, and you've got to try and roll. Oh, nearly got a strike. I've only got 2 left. Okay, and we're going to see how many attempts it takes you to knock over all 5 of your items in the least amount of rolls possible. Okay, so see if anyone can get a strike and let me know what your maximum amount of attempts was. Okay. Hi, year 3. Now you've seen all 3 tasks. Okay. I want you to have a go at home at all 3 of them. Write down your first score that you first do. Okay. Your first attempt. Don't worry about what that is. You're not competing with anyone. I'm looking at your score. Okay. And I want to see if you can improve throughout the week. So practice throughout the week as much as you can. Again, make sure you ask mum or dad what you can use, or whoever's at home looking after you, okay? Because I don't want you to get me in trouble and use something that you shouldn't, alright? So find something that you're allowed to use. Again, you can have as many attempts as you want. Doesn't matter if you have 10 or 1,000. You do as many as you want during the week. I just want to see if we can improve on our scores from the start of the week and the end of the week. Okay, guys? Stay safe, have fun, and let me know how it goes.